Welcome to this training video on using business areas to monitor job streams in Automation Analytics and Intelligence, or AAI. In this video, we'll explore how business areas act as organized groupings of related job streams. We will also learn how to use business areas to quickly filter your views and data insights for the job stream processes that matter most to your work. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the purpose of business areas in AAI. You will learn how business areas are structured to support efficient monitoring. Use business areas to quickly find the job streams for the business processes you are responsible for. Apply business area filters across your views in AAI for focused monitoring or analysis. Create dashboard tabs tailored to business areas for your daily tasks. And set your user preferences to apply a global business area filter. Let's start with understanding how business areas are organized in AAI to help with your job stream management. Business areas are created by your job stream administrators or IT operations leadership to organize job streams into groups that are easily recognized across your organization. These groupings might reflect different aspects of your organization, such as departments, applications, regions, reporting structures, or even the job streams used by specific teams or individuals. A job stream is added to business areas in its job stream definition, and it can belong to more than one business area. For example, a job stream may be part of finance, EMEA, and an operators monitoring group. This mapping helps administrators ensure that users access only the job streams that are relevant to them. If you have admin privileges to AAI, you can see all the business areas that have been created by your job stream administrator in the Business Areas tab in the left navigation menu. Across AAI, you can see which business areas a job stream belongs to. For example, in the Basic Information tab in a job stream's details page, and across table views. With your job streams organized into familiar business areas, navigating and refining your views becomes simpler. You can then quickly filter your views to focus on the workloads that matter most. Let's take a look at how this works in AAI. In the Job Stream Runs Grid view, you can filter the list of executions by business areas by clicking on the filter icon above the data table. This opens the filter menu from where you can select the business areas option to refine your view. The options shown will depend on your access privileges and any preferences you've already set. Choose one or more business areas from the nested list. Once applied, the filter instantly narrows the list to display only the job streams associated with the selected business areas. You can also save this view by clicking on the Save a Copy button. This will ensure you always find your filtered views at the click of a button. Note that business area filtering affects only what you see on the screen. It does not change how job streams run. The Job Stream Runs Timeline view also supports business area filtering. When you click on all job streams above the page title, you will see a drop-down with options to filter the timeline view by business areas. This gives you a filtered view of job streams that have completed, the ones that are running now, and forecasted runs, all limited to the scope you are monitoring. Breadcrumb links at the top help you quickly move back up through the business area hierarchy whenever needed. On the Job Stream Definitions page, you can see the business areas the job streams belong to in the business area column. To filter your list, click the filter icon to open the filter menu, then choose the business areas option. This list reflects your organization's business area grouping as defined by your job stream administrator. Filtering by business area helps you easily identify which job streams belong to the processes you support. You can even filter your list of jobs by business areas. This allows you to reduce noise during monitoring and triage. To filter your jobs list by business areas, click on the Advanced Filters and define your filter conditions in the Advanced Search dialog box. Applying the filter narrows the list so you see only the jobs relevant to your workload. To support your daily operations, you can create dashboard tabs dedicated to specific monitoring tasks, including by the business areas you are responsible for. Your tab can include widgets filtered to show only the job streams, statuses, and activities specific to that business area. This allows you to build focused monitoring spaces, ensuring you always have filtered data readily available for monitoring. With that, we've covered how you can use business areas to filter and focus your views. Now, let's look at how your administrators assign business areas for your monitoring tasks, and how you can set your business area user preferences to define a global filter for your job streams. When your user account is created, your job stream administrator may assign you to specific business areas. In this case, your list of available business areas is already filtered to the ones you have access to. Notice here that users without admin privileges will not have the option to view the complete list of business areas. To see which business areas are assigned to you, open the Preferences menu from your user profile and navigate to the Business Area tab. Here, you will see your assigned business areas from which you can further refine the ones you want appearing in your views. Your selection functions as a global business area filter, narrowing the job streams shown across your monitoring pages. If your organization uses EEM authentication and authorization, you will only be able to select from business areas you have been granted access to. With that, we conclude the video on how you can use business areas for efficient workload monitoring. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick recap of what we learned from this video. From this video, we learned that business areas are administrator-defined organizational categories that group related job streams into meaningful units. We learned that business areas can include top-level areas and nested sub-areas, and that familiar naming makes it easier to navigate and locate the job streams you support. We explored how you can filter your monitoring views by business area across AAI to keep your workload views focused. We also looked at how dashboard tabs can be tailored to specific business areas to support your daily operations, and how your business area user preferences function as a global filter for the job streams displayed in your views. With that, we conclude this video on using business areas to manage job streams in AAI. Thank you for watching.